Hi boys, happy Monday. I hope you had a nice weekend and all is going well and that you're safe and healthy. For me to teach you this week, I think I'm just going to upload some videos because it's the easiest thing for me to do because I'd like to talk to you and this is the easiest way. So for maths this week, we are going to look at money. Okay, now I know we looked at money earlier in the year already, so we're going back to it now again. Now the skills that we're going to bring to the maths this time to the money is our multiplication and division, which we would have done just before you left school. So we're going to bring those skills into our knowledge about money. Okay, so I always tell you that the reason that we have maths is because we need to use those skills in real life. Okay, there's no point in us teaching formulas and all this different stuff. We use it in real life. Okay, your parents use money every day, you guys use money, okay? So it's something that we use in our real life, okay? So today we are going to look at our three digit multiplication multiplied by one digit, okay? So for example, if there was something for sale in a shop, let's say it was, I hope you can see this now properly, €2 37. And so there was something in the shop. There was bagels, okay? Harry and I love bagels, okay? There were €2 37 in the shop, and I needed two packets of them, okay? Two. So I'm going to multiply that by two. So I'm going to make that out before I go shopping so I know what my budget needs to be. This will be one of the sums I might do, okay? So we'll have our 2 by 7 is 14. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. Plus 1 is 7. So I hope at home you can talk when I'm doing the sums. You can say that out with me. Half to our decimal point, and 2 by 2 is 4. Now, the most important thing that I need to do is you have to have your decimal point. If you don't put your decimal point there, okay, it'll be 474. Now, I've never bought bagels for €474, and I never will. Okay, so it's really, really important that we have our decimal point. The second most important thing is our euro symbol. Okay, we have to use our mathematical language. Okay, it's not grams, it's not milligrams, it's not kilograms. Okay, it's euro because we're dealing with money. So our euro is important and our decimal point is important. Okay, so that's just one example here. Okay, so we have two items and the cost of the item is €2.37. So I know if I go to the shop, I need to have €4.74 with me to be able to buy those two items. Okay? We all understood? Okay. I'll do another one. Okay? So we have 385. Okay? 385. And I'm going to multiply that by 9. Okay? So I'm going on a big trip and there's 9 people going on the trip and they need an item that's €3.85. It can be what can I get them? I'm going to get flowers for 9 different people. I'm going to find 9 bunches of flowers, okay? When all this is over, I'm going to be buying flowers for everybody and giving them big hugs and buying them flowers. So 9 people that I'm going to be buying flowers for. And the flowers are €3.85 for a bunch, okay? So I need to figure out how much money do I need to either save or make sure I have in my wallet so I can buy 9 bunches of flowers for €3.85. Okay, so do this sum now out loud with me, okay? So 9 fives, 45. Okay, it's really important that you know your tables, okay? I know it can be boring, but you have to learn your tables off by heart. We all had to do it, and it's the easiest way, and it'll just make maths so much easier for you. So try and keep up your tables. They're in your homework journals, so even just practice them. It's just like a sing song, just sing them off, okay? Because it'll make everything much easier for you. So we've 9 fives are 45, 9 eights, 72, plus 4, 72 plus 4, yeah, 76, 76. 9 threes are 27, yeah, and 27 plus 7, not forget my 7 here, 27 plus 7 is 34, €34, okay, 65 cents. Now what are the two most important things I must do? My answer is not finished yet, okay? Okay, good, I have the first thing in, it's my decimal point, okay? It's €34, 65 cents. It's not 3,465. It's not that, okay? 9 bunches of flowers with 3,465. That doesn't even make sense, So you kind of know as well. It's common sense as well, okay? €34.65. And the next thing, the last thing I must put there, do you have it? It's my euro, exactly. It's the euro symbol. Okay? So there we are, €34.65 as opposed to 3,465, which we know makes no sense. Okay? So for today, I have put in a short exercise. So there's 2 tasks a day. So the first task is just testing you on your multiplication for a 3-digit figure multiplied by 1 digit. Okay, so there's just it's a busy at maths. I've included it here because I don't think you have your busy at maths at home. So I've included just a couple of questions. So write them on a sheet, write the answers for me. I want proper title, I want a date, and I want good presentation. Okay, 4th class presentation, and send it to me and I'll correct them then later on. Okay. There's another task as well, a second task. I'm going to type that up in a while. So have a look at that as well if you can. Okay. Just go with the flow. Don't get upset if you don't get things. I'm here to ask questions. It's all about learning. So we'll just step it up a little bit this week. We'll just do a bit more structured learning. Okay. And if it works this week, then I'll continue to do it that way. Let me know how you find the videos. Is it better that I do the videos, or if I just type things up? Tell me which way you prefer learning, and we'll work it out from there. Alright, good job, boys. See you soon. Take care.